Good afternoon, everybody. It's an extreme box break of 2012 Topps Finest. 8/8. Had that in the item description. Nice new sealed box here. Focus. Alright, time is 2:04, Friday, September 14th. Here's everybody in the break, your teams and names. Start out names. Alright. We're good to go. Got the 2 mini boxes and one autograph rookie patch card and one autograph rookie jumbo jersey. As well as some cool inserts, serial numbered refractors, all that cool stuff. There's the first mini box. There's the second one. Packs in there. We got 12 packs total, I think, and 6 cards per pack. There's the first 6 right there, with I think the jersey on bottom there. Second box. Alright, yeah, that one's the patch, that one's the jersey. We'll save those for last. Alright, 12 packs. Let's do this. First one. Got Ryan Lindley, rookie on the front. Jared Allen refractor. Number 2. Marvin Jones, rookie. And a refractor of Daniel Thomas. And there's a Daniel Thomas base. Another Jared Allen. Ryan Tannehill, rookie. And upside down, another Dolphins. Prism refractor, Reggie Bush. Derek Wilson, rookie. And a Finest Moments insert of Brock Osweiler, rookie card insert. Fifth pack. Stephen Hill, rookie. And the Atomic Refractor, Robert Griffin. There's a good one. RG3 Atomic die cut. Sorry about that. Alright, 6 pack. Another good rookie here, Russell Wilson. And Aaron Rodgers refractor, that's cool. Greg Childs. Got a Luke Kuechly refractor. Michael Agnew, rookie. And a Prism refractor of Roddy White. Four packs left. Tommy Streeter, rookie card. And Finest Moments of Brandon Weeden rookie card. And then they doubled us up on inserts there. And out of 99, Kenny Britt, blue refractor. Put that over there. Last regular pack here. Got a Chris Givens rookie. And this is an Atomic, I think. Brandon Weeden again. Atomic. Die cut. Put that over there. Okay, here it is. The two hits. Quentin Copel's rookie card. There's the base for it. Alright, and we got, I think this might be, oh, good one. Russell Wilson, gold, I think maybe, out of 75, short print jumbo jersey. Good looking card there. Good hit for the Seahawks. Okay, now for the patch. Tommy Streeter on top. Or Bernard Pierce rookie on top. Okay. Another Seahawk. Robert Turbin. So the Seahawks killed it. It's got a little bit of dust on there. They put the dust so it doesn't stick. You can wipe that off. Two color patch out of 1353. Alright. Just do a quick little recap of the Seahawks hot box here. Alright, got a Brandon Weeden Atomic die cut. Kenny Britt blue refractor on 99. RG3 Atomic die cut. Russell Wilson short print jersey auto out of 75. And then Robert Turbin patch auto. Alright, cool, everybody. That was fun. Thanks.